Good morning, everyone. And today we're going to be doing top to bottom analysis on Ethereum US dollar. And as usual, we'll start by identifying our zones. Our zones are support and resistance levels on higher time frames, such as the weekly time frame that we're at now. Anywhere where we can find support and resistance levels, we'll identify them as our zones. So these are our weekly zones. This is my all-time high. This is a weekly zone. This is another weekly zone. This is another weekly zone. And then this is also a weekly zone. So the next thing after identifying our weekly zones is to see if there are any trend lines that we can draw. And I think we can draw a trend line here. I think we can draw one here like this. Let's make it black. This will be our weekly trend line. We can also draw another one here like this across. So this will be a second weekly trend line. So let's go down to the daily time frame and do the same thing. We'll identify our zones and then any potential trend lines. So we have a zone here. This is a daily zone. We have a daily zone here. We have another one here. We have a daily zone here. We also have one here. Okay, so now let's see if there are any trend lines we can draw. There are no particular trend lines we can draw. In fact, I can switch this one to a daily trend line since it actually fits a bit more. What is the essence of changing this guy from a daily trend line from a weekly trend line to a daily trend line? The essence is that weekly trend lines and daily trend lines are of different sizes. So essentially, in my own perspective, I'm shrinking the size of this guy. So the next thing we're going to do is to identify our trend origin, which is obviously here. When price came up to that point, price started to go down. So this is our trend origin. So trend origin like that. We will now have an impulsive correctional, impulsive correctional, impulsive correctional, impulsive correctional, followed by an impulsive. So we're expecting a new correctional to follow the new impulsive. So now that we've marked out market structure like that, the next thing we're going to do is identify our lower highs and lower lows. Since this is a trend line, since this is a downward trend line, so these are my lower highs. Sorry, my lower low. Oh my god, these are my lower highs. Yeah, I said it correctly the first time. So these are my lower highs. And then let's also identify our lower lows using red. So here, 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 here. Let's delete this guy. So price is in an impulsive move. I'm about to switch to a correctional phase, right? So circle here. Let's make it yellow, and here, and here, and here. We'll go down to the 4-hour time frame to check if there are any noteworthy price patterns here. Just before price switches from my impulsive phase on the daily time frame, on the daily move, to a correctional